how to download and install Viber in Android. Firstly, you need to open up your Google Play Store on your side screen section. Then on the upper side on the search box, you're gonna type for Viber. And as you get right there, open up that such selection, which is right here, and it says that the last update was on this date. And yeah, of course, you need to check all these reviews on that applications, which are so much important for you. And as you get ready, you simply can go create or start downloading your Viber section, which will set install right here. But as you can see, in this case I have uninstalled, because that means that I have the latest and the taking over version of Viber, and this is why it doesn't allow me to download it again. And I can just unload it or uninstall it right now, but in this case I'm not gonna do it because I have the right points on my side.